Umbrië. Dam line of Tyson, Tadmus and Edinburgh. In the pedigree of Umbrië, we find top progenitors Tangelo van de Zuuthoeve and Numero combined with a performance lineage. Dame Chablis is a full sister to the international four-star eventer D.A. Darras, who competed in show jumping on 140 level as well. Great-granddam Wieteke can be found in the dam line of various international 160 level performers such as Nirvana, Patrice, and the Grand Prix show jumping stallions Tyson and Tadmus. Also, the 150 level competing stallion Edinburgh traces directly back to Wieteke. Sire Tangelo van de Zuuthoeve produced top-level horses like Dariloo and Tobago Zat.